Hi, I'm Tom from Trainero, and in this video I will show you how Trainero's news function works. The news function is a new feature we just added to Trainero, and it's a direct channel of communication between the trainer and the clients. This news function is available in the client accounts and groups, so it's a very simple way to communicate with your clients. You can send, for example, ads of your services, invoices, files, and videos straight into the client app. The news feature is shown at the top part of the client app's homepage, so everyone will definitely see it. So first I will show how the news function works in the client accounts. The news function can be found down here, and it works exactly the same in groups. Here's an example. So here you can see the text, and from here you can open the edit mode. This is the pop-up window where you can create the content for this client account's news feature. The first thing here is the visibility button that is used to choose if the content of this news is visible for this client. Then from here you can choose the start and end dates of this campaign. Here you can write the title and here the description. You can also add pictures, videos, links to YouTube and other files, so you have a very versatile platform to produce content for your clients and groups. You can, for example, create a landing page, then add a link to that landing page here, and then show this news to all of your clients. Next, I'll show the same function in groups. So click this button down here and click Open one of the groups. The news feature can be found here at the bottom part of the page, just like in the client accounts. The feature works the same as in client accounts. The only difference is that when you use this group's news feature, everyone in the group will see it in their own client accounts. This news feature is also available here in Own Profile page, so click Own Profile, then click Settings, and here you have two news feature boxes more. The first one is for sending news to all of your clients at once, and the second one is to send news to all of the clients of the company. So for example, a gym has multiple trainers and the gym wants to send news to all of the trainers' clients. It can easily be done with this news box. The second box is visible only to the main account used by the gym's owner or the head coach. So that's it. As you can see, the news feature is a very versatile and easy to use way to contact your clients and get more revenue. Thanks for watching.